What is up, you guys? I really hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be talking about Ratan Tata, the great Indian industrialist who faced huge humiliation in 1999, but then took a sweet revenge and gave us all a big lesson to learn. But before starting with the story, first you need to know that there are a lot of factors that can influence you from getting motivated. Negative comments, toxic people, humiliation, and a lot of it. But the thing that you need to know is how you need to turn these negative situations into positive ones. Okay, so now this was in 1998 where Ratan Tata decided to enter the passenger vehicle industry after seeing huge success in different Tata groups. After a lot of planning and hard work, the Tata group introduced the Tata Indica in the market. But unfortunately, the consumer response was not that great and critics found certain defects in it. And by 1999, the Tata Motors were experiencing huge losses. So Ratan Tata quickly analyzed this loss-making business and decided to sell it to some experienced car company before it makes even more losses. So Ratan Tata reached out to Bill Ford, who was the CEO of the Ford Motors. Now, Ford was the market leader in the automobile industry. Ratan Tata and his team went to America to meet Bill Ford, and it was during this meeting that Ratan Tata experienced huge humiliation. Ford Group told Ratan Tata and his team, if you don't know anything, then why did you start the passenger car division at all? They said that they will be doing a favor by buying this car division of the Tatas. Now, this statement clearly didn't make Ratan Tata happy, and he immediately called off the deal. He and his team took the first flight from Detroit to New York to come back to Mumbai. One of the person from the Tata group mentioned in one of the interviews that it seems Ratan Tata was serious and sad throughout the flight. Ratan Tata understood that this was a matter of respect for the Tata group and then decided to restart the whole program with a new approach. After a lot of dedication, hard work, planning and all of it by Ratan Tata and his team towards the functioning of this car division, the Tata Indica V2 was introduced. The V2 along with its new features was giving tough competition to the other cars in the industry, and by 2002, it was one of the most selling hatchbacks in India. Now, isn't that commendable? Over the years, the Tata was growing to be an industry leader in the passenger car division, while Ford was seeing a downward trend in its sales with all its new models. Ford's business was losing year on year. Not only that, the luxury cars of Ford, Land Rover and Jaguar were experiencing huge losses. Ford was on the verge of bankruptcy after the 2008 global financial meltdown. It was in 2008 where Ratan Tata realized that the tables had turned and put forth an offer in front of Ford that they could not refuse. He offered to purchase from Ford its pride, Jaguar and Land Rover. That point in time, Ford could not refuse this offer. This time, they came down from America to India to finalize the deal. The deal was finalized in Mumbai, and guess what? Bill Ford at that point, while finalizing the deal, told Ratan Tata that they are doing a huge favor on them by buying the JLR. He literally said the words, "You are doing us a big favor by purchasing JLR," and also thanked him for it. Now, this is the story of a sweet revenge that Ratan Tata took after being humiliated. Now, realize how he took this negative humiliation as a motivational factor to be successful in the business that he believed with his willpower, dedication, and of course, hard work. So the ultimate learning here is that no matter what obstacles come your way, you need to have your inner belief tuned to your goals. And of course, I don't need to tell you that pride comes before a fall. That's it, folks, for today. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with people who really need to listen to this story. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye for now, guys. See you later.